It's a race 4Runner. Oh, wow. It's nice when they actually use the pull-off. When people know what a pull-off's used for, the pull-off. They won't. They won't. Or will they? Tell me if I'm wrong. I find that a lot of handicapped drivers, handicapped tags, not really the drivers are awesome, but I find when there's somebody or a car with a handicapped tag, they're kind of disrespectful drivers. They don't care about anybody around them. All right, welcome to North Carolina. We are back home. This joyride is over. But we never broke the speed limit once. North Carolina could do a better job upkeeping their part of the road. This would be Swain County. So if you want to complain to the Swain County government. There you are. Deals Gap Motorcycle Store and Resort. I see my parking spot waiting for me. Smells good out here. Wish I could afford it.